TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, folks. Steve Rhodes coming to you live from sunny Delray Beach, Florida. This is your 2 p.m. update. Currently, we've got all the indices in the green. The Dow's up 72, the S&P 17, NASDAQ 141, Russell's up 8, semis are up 61. Big move inside the semiconductor index, up a little over 3% right now. Let's take a look at the markets here in general. In general, what I mean by that is let's look at the S&P 500, but let's take a look at the S&P 500 in relationship to how each of its sectors, each of its 10 sectors, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 sectors, my apology, out there, is trading in relationship to its TAS market profile. So if there's going to be a change in trend out here, we're going to start seeing the daily time frames trade in the red zone, these little speed dials out here. The XLB is the first one. That's in the upper left out here. You'll see that's bullish for all 4 time frames. The energy sector, that is bullish for 2 of the 4 time frames, but the daily is bullish. The weekly is bullish. XLP, weekly, daily, 240, 60, they're bullish. XLK, all 4 are bullish. XLC, you've got the weekly and daily are bullish, as is the 60-minute, the 240 in the communications sector. That's like for Facebook and entities like that. They're inside there. But again, bullish daily. Industrials, bullish daily. Healthcare, daily is bullish. Utilities, daily is bullish. Discretionary, daily is bullish. Financials, daily is bullish out there. Just the real estate sector in its daily time frame that has the bearish sector. It's only got a very small weighting inside of the S&P 500, and that's not going to get the S&P 500 to move lower. If you're asking where's the S&P 500 headed to, if we take a look at the ES Mini, I'll pull up the S&P 500 chart here in a moment, but this is where the ES Mini is likely headed to, is the top of its daily profile. And that's at 3267. That's about 43 points or so from where we're trading right now. I'm not suggesting it's going to do that between now and the end of the day, although in these markets anything can happen. But that is the likely price target. Inside the S&P cash, we don't have a profile to look at. What we've got is Stevie's green line, and that's 3254. So that is your range for the S&P 500. Market breadth that we just took a look at supports that type of move out there. The S&P 500 has been the strongest of the 4 equity future contract, or the ES Mini, I should say, out there. So pretty odds favor the S&P headed higher over the course of the next couple of days. Folks, thanks so much for being here. Stay tuned for David White, and have a magnificent one. Take care, folks.